In this video, we're going to look at Finteria, which is a crypto derivatives trading platform. As well as that, I'm going to show you an amazing way you can get also $100 free cash to use trading on this platform. And you can also get started for absolutely free as well. Obviously, nothing I say is financial advice. Always do your own research before investing any money. Let's get into it, guys. So here we are over on Finteria, guys. Finteria is entering into the crypto world of exchanges, and it offers a variety of different crypto trading derivatives that you might not see on every other platform. You can trade a crypto, Forex, CFDs, and earn up to 90% in just 30 seconds with binary options trading. And what's cool as well is you can try this out for absolutely free using the demo option without having to risk any of your own money until you've got your strategies down and you understand what you're doing, that you don't have to risk any of your own money, which is great, guys. There's 24/7 non-stop trading, which is one of the main benefits of trading in crypto. There's a $10 minimum deposit once you are looking to go into the full-blown paid mode, but you can also qualify by using the code 100cash when you sign up. And there's also a minimum trade size of $1, which is suitable for beginners. And on offer is not just cryptos, but also stocks, commodities, and tons of other things like Forex. This can all be done very easily, either on your laptop or on your phone, with 12 different chart types, 50 smart drawing tools or different indicators if you like to use them, which is easy to use and intuitive, and also it's very good for technical analysis, and it's powered by TradingView, which is pretty much what you should be doing to do your chart analysis anyway. So simply all you need to do to sign up, literally click on sign up, enter an email address and a password, and then fund your account through either a transfer from another crypto platform or from a credit card deposit, and then you can just trade and withdraw any profits that you make. So there's various other benefits. Here is a very important one. You can withdraw in less than an hour. Other trading exchanges might take up to 24 hours to withdraw any funds from there. You can trade over the weekends. There's more than 10,000 traders already using the platform, and tons of other features where you can make profits just by copying experienced traders, and that is also very cool, and also no commission trading. So once we sign up, guys, it's going to offer us two different features. We can see that it's going to offer us a demo account here. We can trade on the demo account, or you can click on a live account, and you can see you can also get up to $100 promo cash by adding 100 cash code to your checkout, top up and trade here. But we're just going to click on trade on demo account, and here you can see this is basically binary options. Now, typically in futures trading, for example, if I'm trading Bitcoin versus USD, and I think Bitcoin is going to go up, then I can buy Bitcoin and I can choose when I want to sell it at, because during that period of time we might see Bitcoin going down against what I bought it out, going up. A variety of different things can happen, but I don't know for sure exactly what's going to happen. But what binary options is, it basically has an expiration date, which is this red line here, and once the price reaches there, I'm anticipating that the price is either going to be higher or lower than it was at the point at which I made the trade. So what we can see here, guys, we can select on the top left the different trading pair we want to use. So we can see Bitcoin USD. Now we can see in general the trend of this is moving towards the upside. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to move and we're going to put 1 USD, and then we're going to select 30 seconds. By clicking on this, we can select different time frames from 30 seconds up to like 3 hours, 30 minutes, etc. I'm just going to click on 30 seconds, and I'm going to put down $1, and I'm going to anticipate that from now in 30 seconds the price is going to be higher, so I'm going to click higher, and now it's going to place my trade. So now what we can see, guys, is the trade has gone in there. Currently the price is below that red line, which means if it hits 30 seconds before that time is up, then I will lose the trade, I'll lose the dollar. However, if it's above that line, which it is right this second, and it hits that green dash line in just a few more seconds, let's see what happens, then I will make a profit. And you can see there, I've just made a profit of $1.85. So I can continue to anticipate doing this. And I'm not going to teach you a strategy for this, guys. You need to go and figure out your own strategy for this. But ultimately what you're looking for is a short-term trend towards the upside, and you can get in and you can place as many trades as you want, so you can do them at the multiple at the same time, like we've done here. So you can see I've now got 2 trades in, and then they're going to continue to play out. But we're looking for short-term moves and kind of go with the trend. Okay, if anything I was going to say, go with the trend. The trend is your friend until the very end, but be very cautious, guys. This is obviously a demo account. Get well into this and use the demo account, because you can obviously lose money doing this. And once using live money, don't use any money that you can't afford to lose, because you can see I've just lost one of my dollars, and there I've just lost 2 of the dollars, wiping out that initial profit that I made. Now if I click back to the symbols, as I mentioned earlier, you don't just have to do crypto. You can come down, you've got all of the different Forexes here, Forex pairs, you've got stocks, you've got shares, you've got basically everything, guys. However, I would stick to what's popular because you get good range of movements and they do tend to follow a certain trend. So for example, Bitcoin, probably looking to be kind of bullish today, get an idea of roughly where the markets are heading in a particular day and then work it out like that. There's also different modes you can use where you can either use daytime mode and then you've also got nighttime mode. Nighttime mode, obviously much easier and cleaner to see. And also, so when you make profit, you're going to make 85% profit on whatever you've put down, but you'll also lose, if you do lose, the 100% of the trade. So obviously you've got to be a bit more cautious. But one thing we can see on this higher and lower is as the price moves, we get kind of different percentages of where we anticipate the price going. So you can see currently higher, you're looking at 82% chance against lower, changing in percentages all the time. So obviously you need to work out your own strategies for this. Now it's important to note that Finteria employs a crypto custodian in the form of BitGo, and this guarantees that your assets are going to be safe. So if you win lots of money, then you will be able to withdraw that cash because BitGo is basically going to guarantee this up to around $700 million. So you're pretty much safe to use this platform no matter what happens to the platform. Okay, so this is absolutely essential and definitely something you should look into when you're looking into anything in crypto to ensure that you're guaranteed basically to see returns if there's any problems in the future. Now, if we come back to the trading panel itself, you can see that you can click on various different features. This is the same as you would get on TradingView, and you can use different parts here to see different things. And you've also got different things like different time frames and things like that. So you can continue to use different time frames to do your analysis. And remember, I said you could choose different times here to select where you think the prices are going to go. As I've said, if you're using 30 seconds, it's going to be much more volatile and much more difficult. But if you're perhaps looking for 3 hours time or something like that, this would also be very good. And you could use this in conjunction with different financial news that's coming out at different points. So in summary, Finteria is a very cool and very different trading platform that allows you to trade crypto, Forex, CFDs, and much, much more. You can make up to 90% in just 30 seconds on your investment. And you can try this out for absolutely free using the demo mode. And you can trade with as little as $1 on each trade. Remember, if you use the code 100cash, then you'll be able to get up to $100 in promotional cash to be able to use on this platform. But I do recommend using the demo version before you start depositing your own money. Guys, if you enjoyed today's video and you found it useful, then hit the thumbs up button for me. Thank you very much for doing that. If you're new to the channel, you want to learn more about trading, crypto, NFTs, and much, much more, then hit subscribe and I'll see you in the very next video. Bye-bye.